Welcome to another Spark tutorial. We're going to be doing a short tutorial only on the family profiles. In the previous set of tutorials, we've actually been building up this circle that we have for Emma and her family. You see that we have two daycare requests for her son Ethan and her daughter Olivia. We have a set of lists, and her profiles are already filled in. When we went through this filling up process, we actually did it through the daycare request, because the daycare request helps us auto-create the rest of the items. But we're going to create a new circle this time, and we're going to do it in the opposite manner. So in this case, I'm going to create a new circle just as a test, and we're going to say Wilson Fam, just to make a distinction between the other one. You see that this new circle that we just created also has Emma within it, and the reason is because we're using Emma's account. But unlike the other one, we only have one member, and then we have one new list, which is the bookmarks. Our family is completely empty, and we're currently on the free plan. So one of the first things that we recommend is that you upgrade to the family plan. We've made it incredibly affordable and cheap so that everyone has the possibility of using it. And we offer two plans with it. You can pay for membership on a 6-month basis, or you can pay for membership on an annual basis based on how long you think your daycare search is going to take. For now, I'm going to upgrade to the 6-month one. You'll see that once I'm upgraded, it will say family plan. So I'll get this special card right here. And if we go back to the circle home, you see that those premium pills goes away, and now we're ready to set everything up. So we're going to start the creation process for one thing at a time. Let's start with the parents. So I'm going to create a profile for Emma. Now we have the profile for Emma. We can link it to an existing member, and now Emma is linked to her membership. And now Emma's parent profile is linked to her member profile. This just makes it so much easier when you have to fill out forms, since all the information will be connected automatically. Let's create the profile for James now. And there you go. We have a profile for Emma, and we have a profile for James. And again, you can switch the icon at any time if you want to set a different one. So we could set the fox for Emma, and for James, we might set the frog. Let's create the kids now. We'll create Ethan first, and then we can create Olivia. We can switch the icons again. And there you go. The parents and the children are already set up. Now let's add the locations. So I'm going to add the home address, and we're just going to call this home. And we're going to add Emma's work address. And we're going to add James's work address as well. Awesome. Our family profile is fully set up now. Now we're doing it backwards like we mentioned before. We created everything ahead of time for the family, and now it's time to create the daycare request that we want. So when we go to the daycare request, the real benefit that we get by setting up everything ahead of time is that when we get to this step and it's asking us about who we are, rather than filling out all the information at this stage, the only thing I need to do is click on Emma's profile to say who we are. I can set my partner, and then this daycare is going to be for Olivia first. It's going to be for this address right here. And if you see, all I have to do is click confirm, create the request, and it's ready to go. No typing was needed when we created this request, since all of the profile information was already filled in. And we can do exactly the same thing for Ethan. There you go. It's that fast and that easy. Remember that another benefit that we get by creating the profiles is that in this daycares page, all we have to do is click and switch. Click and switch to see the daycares that are around us. And with a simple click of a button, we can go back to the main search page with that search in mind. Open up the map and continue our daycare search over here. That covers everything for now that we have related to the family profiles. One thing that we have coming soon and hopefully you're very excited about this, is that we're bringing applications and waitlist forms directly into the experience. So by having your family already set up, you're going to be able to apply to different daycares with one simple click. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and thanks again for watching.